Here we're going to come up with the fifth row of Pascal's triangle and then use it to multiply a binomial with an exponent. So with Pascal's triangle, notice it starts to get wider like a triangle. So and the outside edges are ones. So I'm going to put a 1 here and a 1 here. Now to get the numbers in between those two ones, you just take the two numbers above it and you add them together. So 1 plus 4 is 5, this is 10, this is 10, this is 5. So the fifth row includes 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So now we're going to use that to multiply x plus y to the fifth power. We use the fifth row to multiply when the exponent is 5. So let's first take a look at what's happening with the third row and see if we see the pattern. So notice we have an A and a B. So the first term just has the A and the last term just has a B, where the middle ones have an A and a B. Now let's look at the exponents. We're starting with the 3. So let's start with the A's on the left. We just have an A and that's to the third power. Then you count down 2 and this is to the first. So the powers for the A's go bigger to smaller from left to right. And then if we look at the powers for the B's, we start off with the 3 here, and then 2, and then 1. So for the B's, they get bigger to smaller from right to left. So now let's try to do that for this x plus y to the fifth power. So I'm going to start off, and remember the first term. Let's start off with our numbers in Pascal's triangle. Those are all of our coefficients. So I'm going to start off and write my 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now I'm going to do my variables. So I'm going to start with just x's, and my last term has just y's. And then all the middle ones have an x and a y. And you can put pluses in between each of these terms. Now let's start looking at the exponents. So remember, if this is a 5, I'm going to do my x's first. It starts off with a 5, and then it starts getting smaller from left to right. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do the same for the y's. I'm going to end with a y to the fifth, and then it's going to get smaller from right to left. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go.